Operators. Okay. So operators are symbols used to perform operation on data like comparing, calculating, and filtering. Okay, I will also use this. Okay, I will write this as well, so you will understand betterly. Okay, and then you can make. So why the operators are the symbols? Okay, these are or make an operators. Symbols or operators are symbols used to used to used to perform the operation, right? Used to here we have to use like in data. What are data? We have a data. What kind of data? And like comparing, and we also comparing. We can make a comparing, calculating, and filtering. Right? So this is the operation. What is the symbols? Now we have to understand symbols. Symbols means data type. Okay, I can make is a type of the operator. Type of operators. It is a right operator. So operators, what types of operators we have to understand? These are arithmetic operators. I'm talking about the arithmetic. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is make a new line to make it better to understand. No. Types of operator, right? Now it's a new uh, comments. Okay, now. So what this is the arithmetic operator. We have to learn arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. So right operators. What are arithmetic operators? Yes, I said it. So the first I need is an adding, right? For addition, right? And this is a subtraction, right? Subtraction, am I right? And this is a multiplication, right? Multiplication, and then we have a, it is like a division, right? And then we have a models. What is the meaning of models? Models is like, and, and then we have to, I don't know, we'll just see what is the models. Okay, so these are models. Okay, so when, how can we use this? Okay, you know how to like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The models. What is the models? Do you understand? Do you have any idea? Item. No. So models is a very important to understand this. Suppose we have a model. I want any specific thing, okay, or like start by the A name. Okay, we have a like a name is for superior. I want to start the employees' names who are whose first letter is superior. Okay, whose first letter is a P. Sorry. Okay. So we have to, so now is in terms of the model, it's not a standard SQL. Okay. SQL Server and database. Okay, the people often refer to the database object as a models. Okay, so there are a lot of things I tell you. Okay. So now the models means okay. I give you example. For example, I have already given the example. So in this example, take for example. Right. So as like we using here, so we have to understand the paid procedure. Okay, like how to use the paid procedure. Okay, and as a given or as a like a so lot of things here. I actually it is very hard to explain here without explaining some other syntax. So there's some thinking. How can you explain it? So I because I change we can change our topic if I go in the models. We will learn the model. So and then I'm thinking what example should I give? For example, what example should we see? Uh, So, okay, I teach you when we learn the store processing. I think it is whole topic we change. So I will teach you, okay, models when we understand uh, like a store processor, okay, then you will get a better understanding. So because I'm not getting any easy example in my mind, okay. So but I tell you model. But one example I give you the model. Model means like we have a float value, okay. The float value means like we get any like 2 to 4 is divided and is 2 to 4 is not divided, okay, like a 2 5 divided by 2 and what we get, okay. So we that's I'm telling you there are multiple things here, okay. I teach you, so we will remain, please remind me, okay, about the models, okay. When we learn the store procedure, what we will learn, we use, I mentioned that we mostly in store procedure. Procedure. What is store procedure? So I have to explain the store procedure to explain the models, right? So my whole topic will be changed. I don't want to tell you this. Okay, now is another one. These are the like types of operators, is arithmetic operators. Other topics we have a comparison operators. You know comparison operators? Yes, comparison operator. What is our comparison operator? So we have to understand. So comparison order, yes, definitely. So first we have to understand equal is equal. equal. You know equal, like a equal example should I give you? Equal means if any value is equal of any, okay. So it's means we use equal, okay. And then we don't not equal. It's not equal. Not equal means this is not equal, okay. Or we use like this, or so these there are few like a symbols of the not equal, whatever like this one or whatever this one. Understood? This or I mention here or like a mention this. Okay, this is our symbol. This one is not correct one to make this one. How can we use this? We have to learn when we have to write a query. Okay, we'll get now. This is greater than, you know better this greater than, then greater than is this is a less than, okay. And we have another greater than 12, right? 12, right? And then less than or equal, less than or 12. Am I right? So these are the comparison operators, right? How I can tell you how I we have already used this item. We have already used this, so you can save our time here. You can see like age, right? We got age here. It's less than 30, or it's like less than or equal 30. Am I right? Am I right? Is more than 30, right? And not equal, we can use different types of panels. So why I am teaching you, because you have to use, there are so much use these things, right? But the models one we use only in mostly like in a stochastic or another thing, so we don't use mostly. It is a way. Now I teach you one more thing is a logical operators. What do you understand? Fine. Okay. Then later I will teach you another thing tomorrow. So what do you understand about logical operator? What do you understand about? So logical, correct. This is and and use both condition must be true. Both condition must be true. We have to use true always in a capital or means. Please tell me what if you understand. Then okay, at least one condition. At, at least one condition must okay, one condition true or must be true. Whatever. Okay. And what about the not? Any idea about not? Reverse condition. Reverse. What is the reverse condition? Reverse condition means what we never get the output and this output is required. Not like we can use I give you an example. Okay, here. So what I want here is not I can use the final one, okay, today and then others local. So I want here is okay is not okay. I can use this anything like whatever I want. Okay, not. So what is the age here between or like a 30 not in what Actually, not a specific things here. What should I mention here? The characters wise. Let's see. We want the proper example here. So you will get some understanding. Not in what? Okay, I mentioned zero. I think zero will what? I hope not in zero. Let's see. Right. So let's see. I don't know. Infection text nearby zero. Not in where. Why not in practice is zero? I don't know. Should be or let's see. Let's see. I give another example. Is not in 30. Let's see. 30 should be. I know. 30 should be. So what we have, so it means, let's see, okay, one is zero, let's see, okay, understood. Yeah, fine. So it means, okay, we use, okay, not in 30, who has the age of 30, I have it. So now, okay, I don't want to give this example, I want a different example, okay, let's see, okay. So right example, it's not right example. Okay, I want the accountant or designation. That is correct. Designation. Okay, not in uh, um, uh, no 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 account. Please tell me if I wrong. A double C O U N T E N T. Right? So now you can see that is the correct okay example. That was not a correct example. This is a correct answer. So it means we have all employees, okay, but I don't want to display who has designation accountant, right? Got it? So we use not it. Now other you know how to use and or slide let I tell you designation, okay, and uh, where designation is equal to, let's see, is equal to what designation you want, TA, and okay, department is equal to let's see. So we got okay like this. Okay, so we are using it. It means both condition is a true. This here is and I make this sorry. Now we have a one conditions. We now check the order, right? Order. How can I want know from you? How can you start? This department is IT. Do So it means any one conditions. It means we are getting both from not accounting. Why? Because TA conditions are also true and IT conditions are true, but they are displaying different. Got it? Okay. What now and what I'm going to do? Okay.